I don't know, dude. She's kind of looking at me, bro.
You ever heard of the unspoken Riz?
Oh, definitely.
You hit my truck.
I spilled my coffee too.
God damn it, Alex. Alright guys, today we are back at Hunter's house, our gracious host, because I moved out and I have no room in my garage. We're back on working on good old Myrtle the Mustang here. Last episode, what did we do last episode? Shit.
I inhaled toxic gases.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
The what?
I inhaled toxic gases.
Yeah,
Oh,
Kevin
yeah,
Kevin almost died. We deleted the AC. Car is running perfect. It's gone across the country, across the ocean, everything else. Today we are working on the ball joints and the rear control arms. We got some value craft, only the best, you know, $30 ball joints. And then we also got a new panel piece for the piece that we are missing of the vent. We also got some brand new tools, thankful to Hunter. He bought some ball joint press.
Went a little
and
crazy. Yeah.
some grease guns and all that, so. Now, this one I bought on eBay at 1 in the morning. It's a little used, but you know, compared to all the other ones that were 80, 90 bucks, this one was only $40. That's a steal.
Hey,
Alex has been real controversial lately. We also got a brand new table. Just bought that as a
dude, you are missing everything you throw. I don't think you've made even a piece of paper in this trash can.
upper and lower control arms.
You. Right here, right here. Ah!
All right, let's get to work.
Did I ever get my bag?
Now, we have a jack. It is fairly used. This one is even more used.
I
This
got new
one-
batteries.
He looks so happy showing it off his batteries.
Now, honestly, if I drop it right now, it could just damn near destroy the whole car.
Or the world.
I guess we're gonna fucking find out. Do I need higher or lower?
Yeah, go higher.
Oh, now it wants me to go higher.
Oh, we're just doing ball joints in front, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're okay. Hold on. Oh, don't drop it yet.
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
As
All
if
right.
it's like a tutorial.
Okay.
You can ask Alex.
We're
for
gonna
help, too.
be the ones giving the tutorial.
No, it's satire.
Oh, I was gonna say because we watch the tutorials to do what we're doing. So first things first. Come here, Cameron. Come here. Come here.
All right.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take off this whole caliper and the brake system here. That way we can free this up, take this rotor off, get this strut out the way. Once we got everything loosened up, it's gonna expose the ball joint back here. And if we can get down here, we shouldn't have any issues with the spring. And then we can just pop that ball joint out and take it out. Because thankfully this isn't just one whole assembly. Because they make it where the ball joint and lower control arm is all one piece. That's what we have with the rear control arm. So we're going to take a look at what we got going on in here, break it apart, and see what's going on with this. Let's get after it.
What are you looking at, Kevin? Tree? Me?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks like it's like pointed way above me.
I just see your head, and I zoomed in all the way.
Oh. Look, man, he's been having a rough day, all right? Don't give him any slack that he's a little limp.
What?
Get back to work!
I'll think about it. I only have a 22.
Oh my god.
Oh, I got it sounding over there.
Don't worry, man, I got it. Oh, man. I also have nowhere to hang this.
Just let it dangle.
Oh, yeah. Look at that beauty.
Looks right off the lot right there.
Still got warranty on it. Dude, I'm ahead of Hunter. I've never been ahead of Hunter in anything in my life. Maybe IQ, but even then.
Hey, Hunter, what do you got to say to that, man?
I don't know what IQ stands for.
Oh, God. What the hell?
Now,
Here's
Husky is a good brand. So I trust them on this. But if you get a breaker bar, well, first of all, you need to make sure your socket is tightly wound up on that. Otherwise, you will have that there problem. Now, this nut, son of a, but you get this socket, and it's obviously. Put it at the tailpiece and give it that little extra oomph. Boom. Science.
Don't hit the wheel well.
Easy as pie. Like, honestly. Easy as that. Let's get back to work.
that definitely left a
Left
mark
a scratch
there.
there. Now, the two of us have been working on this car for a while, so we thought we would hire an extra person. Well, technically we didn't hire Kevin either. He's just working here for tortillas and food. But we decided to hire another mechanic. And you've seen him a couple times in his video. His name's Alex. That's Alex.
Is Alex getting paid?
Alex is not getting paid. He has no arms or legs. What quality of life does he have? Finally, Jesus.
Oh!
Hey, sorry. A little slight panic on
That's the noise it made earlier when you did it. That was loud, right?
The whole thing dropped like an
He's like, oh!
You already got the cotter pin off? You're a little poor bastard, dude. Mine's not.
I'm
me.
ahead of Hunter!
Nobody asked you.
Let's go!
I know I didn't.
Big time! All time!
Oh my God. What did you do to it?
It's been a fucking struggle over here. What did I do with the other one?
The other way.
What are you doing?
Showing the video how mutilated this cotter pin is. Oh my God, dude.
Look how fucking long it is, too.
Yeah, I got mine out
Where's,
easily.
Where did I put the other pliers?
This guy does not know how to mechanic. When you're taking out a cotter pin, it's supposed to look like an actual cotter pin.
No, it's
Not like that.
We get new cotter pins.
Yeah, but look at mine. And look at Hunter's.
Oh, got my own back.
This guy sucks at his job. Oh! Let's go do our first repair. Boom. Are you camera good now? Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, this ain't going back on there, boss. It's these threads are fucked.
Alright, well, whatever.
I think we need to push that down. This whole thing needs to go down that way.
Are you confident on that?
Yeah, pretty confident.
I don't think it's working.
It moves a lot. I think it'll be okay.
Now, what are you trying to do here?
I love you. You have to line these up so that it can push it straight through. We were successful. We did it. Took a couple tries to find the right matching cups that we had to use, spacers, adapters, and everything of that nature. Oh, dang. But we figured it out. We realized that the bottom is a bit larger than the shank itself. After we put it all together, Joe came up with the brilliant idea of putting the socket that I lost, there we go, right on top of it since the threads got messed up, and sent it right through. So now all we got to do is do the reverse process, and we slam new ball joint right up in there. And repeat on the other side. So now,
Let's get to it.
we'll send this guy up there.
Brand new ball joints. Shouldn't be able to move them. Old ball joints. Shouldn't be. They were pretty shot, but that's why we got new ones, and hopefully that'll help us. It's steered a little bit to the right, so maybe that'll help with the alignment. Who knows? I don't pay you to talk.
Pay me at all.
What you're gonna do here is get your ball joint standing straight as possible. I don't really want to use this either because I feel like I'm just gonna
Wear yourself out.
pull it off of the track. And simple as pie, you done got yourself a ball joint taken out of the shaft. Timmer.
What's wrong?
Well, children, you all look nice. Ooh, Timmy.
What's wrong, Timmy? You can always talk to me.
Timmy.
What?
Hunter, how far did you press it in?
Well, it didn't.
Yeah. I think I've got it. It's not. No, I think that's all right. I think I'm a little too far, honestly. We good. Simple as that. Really, like anyone can do it. Take about 15 minutes. And remember, always, kids, pack up your tools exactly how you got them. All right, guys, we ran into a little bit of a problem. Hunter, you want to explain what just happened here? I know it was me that did it, but you're behind the camera.
Did you break my box?
No,
This is supposed to be attached. I just got it.
I didn't do it.
It seems that sometime between shipment, warehouse, and what have you, a hole has formed in the ball joint. So it's not able to be packed with grease. Therefore, it won't provide any sort of stability or anything of that nature. So this ball joint is shot because Joe is greasing it up and it just kept bellowing out the sides. The grease point itself is good and the ball joint has good tension, but as far as we can tell, that's just not going to provide us everything we needed because we can't pack any form of grease. Once Joe was packing grease, everything just came right back out. So, waste of grease and waste of ball joint and time. So we're going to have to redo the whole thing, but that's okay because we're having issues on the other side with the tie rod end. The threads got messed up when we were removing it. So we'll have to order some new ball joints, at least one by the looks of it. The other one's holding up good. Everything's going as planned on that side. And we'll order some tie rod ends and we'll just go ahead and move forward with doing the back. We'll probably tidy up this a little bit. I know right down the road on Court Street we got the AutoZone shows it's in stock, but we'll do a little more looking into. Maybe we can get pre-packed ball joints and we'll just slap them on there because it shouldn't be this involved, but good Lord, we are making it very involved. So we'll see what we got going on, maybe tidy this up so we don't have any exposed components, and we can get it going on the backside. Hopefully that goes a little bit more smooth because I know it never does. So we'll see.
Let's get to work. Again.